So, good evening guys. So, welcome again for another webinar ng Crypto brought to you by OKX. And of course, our community, Asasi, Crypto and Forex community. So, pag-usapan lang natin, simple lang, ano ba tong DEX na tinatawag? Okay? Kasi maraming nagtatanong, Coach, ano ba yung DEX? Ano ba ang ibig sabihin yan? Well, may video tayo na DEX na papakita sa inyo na isa sa mga gusto kong video na nag-e-explain. So gusto ko panoorin natin 'yon. Pero ngayon, bigay ko lang sa inyo yung kahulugan ng DEX pagka sinabing DEX. Pagka sinabi mo guys na DEX, ito yung decentralized exchange na tinatawag. So, iba to sa Binance Wallet, iba to sa OKX Wallet na SEX, or iba to sa Bybit o iba man. Ngayon, mine-mention na natin yan kasi yan yung mga sikat na centralized exchange. Pero of course, ang ginagamit natin ngayon, ang trusted natin is OKX. Walang issue, wala tayong kaproblema. At sila ang meron lang maayos. Alam ko, I'm not sure kung naglabas na ng decentralized exchange wallet. Okay? Ang iba. Okay? Parang wala pa. If I'm not mistaken, parang wala pa. Pero ang OKX, yan, yes. Una ang OKX na may decentralized exchange. Kinonfirm ni Coach Chris. Thank you, Coach Chris, no? Ang mga popular diyan, guys, yung Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, yan. Yung mga hindi pa nalilisted sa mga sikat na centralized exchange, sa DEX muna lumalabas. Pero gusto kong paliwanag sa inyo yan with the help of one animation, papanoorin natin. And then, i-discuss natin yung decentralized exchange ng OKX. Okay? So, pag-usapan lang natin, panoorin lang natin yung video. And then, make sure lang na siguro malinaw yung video natin. Okay? Teka lang. Okay. Kuhanin lang natin yung video ngayon. Sabihin nyo kung malinaw, kung may echo. Mag-mute ako ngayon.
And they're usually a lot of fun, especially if you have a cute girl. Have you ever been in an arcade? I've actually been to a lot of arcades, and they're usually
Clear ba ang sounds, guy? Can you type 1 kung clear naman? Yes, yes. Okay, good. Yung video, yung video. Yes, pakisabi nga akong yes. Oh, okay, good, good. Thank you. Tuloy ko lang, ha. Panoorin nyo, 7 minutes to, but very worth na sasabihin ko sa inyo, lalo na yung mga newbie or yung mga bago, iba pala ang DEX. May advantage din na paggamit ng DEX. Okay?
a lot of fun, especially if you have a cute girl or a beautiful woman with you. Nevertheless, to play the games at an arcade, you usually need to bring a backpack of quarters. Now, these quarters are heavy, but they are the fee to play the games. At least, this is the case at many arcades. A few weekends ago, I went to an arcade that didn't let me use quarters. In fact, I had to trade my quarters for a special arcade token in order to play their games. Now, there's probably psychological and economical factors for this that probably led to me giving them more money, but I had to exchange my quarters for their version of a quarter. Did you know that you can actually do this in crypto? Welcome to Whiteboard Crypto, the #1 YouTube channel for crypto education, and here we explain topics of the cryptocurrency world using analogies, stories, and examples so that you can easily understand them. In this video, we are going to explain what a decentralized exchange is, or a DEX, and some of the benefits that they have over a centralized exchange, or a SEX. and also two methods of how they work. A DEX is a decentralized exchange, meaning that it allows you to trade your crypto coins and tokens in a decentralized way. First off, you need to understand that they work without a central authority. Instead, they replace a central authority with a smart contract. Smart contracts are pieces of code that allow two people to enter into an agreement. It's basically like a legal agreement, instead it's written in code. So if both parties do what they agreed to, the smart contract will work like it should. But if one person wants to try something fishy, the smart contract won't let them, or they'll give the other person their money back. So DEXs do have limitations though. They only allow you to swap crypto for crypto. And those cryptocurrencies do have to be on the same blockchain. For example, if you used Uniswap, you can only swap Ethereum and Ethereum tokens. SushiSwap though, which we have a video over, has expanded to many other blockchains, but you still cannot swap in between those blockchains. As of right now, you must stay within the realm of the blockchain of the token that you have. If you'd like to do inter-blockchain token switching, you'd need to watch our video on blockchain bridges. But moving on, let's go over some benefits and drawbacks of a DEX first, then we'll get into how they work. First off, one of the major benefits of DEXs is that you don't need to submit your KYC info. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and this means you don't need to submit your social security number, your profile pictures, there's no fingerprinting, you don't even need to share your name. Now this is a huge part of decentralized finance, being anonymous. Secondly, there is no centralized authority. Instead of trusting Coinbase or Binance, you just have to trust the smart contract, which is essentially code. Code, in fact, is much more reliable than humans. This code is what we call open source, which means you can take a look at it if you want and find bugs or errors. Usually, this means hundreds of great developers are going to check it out before using it. Now another thing is that these DEXs are usually much faster than centralized exchanges, allowing you to transfer tokens in mere seconds, and they usually require a very small fee, pennies on the dollar compared to centralized exchanges. So DEXs are faster, cheaper, trustless, and they don't require any personal info. Already it sounds like great technology waiting to blow up. But they don't come without downsides though. DEXs don't come with support. This means if you have an issue, there's nobody to call, nobody to message about your issue. Sometimes they do have community forums, but those are just other people generously helping out, not someone required to offer you help. This means if you do something wrong and you send your coins to a different address, or maybe you buy a scam coin that looks similar to a true coin, it's going to be your fault and you'll probably never get them back. So you've got to be very careful what you do on a DEX. Another drawback is that you must use a hot storage device. This means your wallet must be connected to the internet. On a centralized exchange, your tokens sit on their exchange, waiting to be moved around at your beck and call. But using a decentralized exchange, you must connect a wallet either through your computer physically or through using an extension like MetaMask. Another drawback is that sometimes these DEXs have low liquidity, meaning that if you buy a lot of a token, the price's coin should shoot up. Vice versa too, if you sell a ton of tokens, you could crash the price. Lastly, as we mentioned before, the code is open for anyone to see, and this is a double-sided sword. If a hacker wants to, they can experiment with the code, find a bug, and then if they find a vulnerability, they could simply exploit it. Now, let's get on to how they actually work. First off, we want to explain to you the order book method. So the order book method is the exact method that the United States stock market uses. In fact, it works and it has worked for ages, but it does have some drawbacks when it comes to decentralized finance. So how it works is if you want to buy or sell something, you simply pick a price you want to buy that asset for, and then you put in an order. So if you want to buy something, you give the third party, either the stock market exchange or a smart contract, your money. When it finds someone who wants to perform the exact trade that you're offering, it swaps the two and gives you what you want. When you sell something, on the other hand, you just give it the asset that you want to sell and wait for someone to come along who wants to buy it. Otherwise, you can look at the whole order book and find someone who has already put an order in. Then you can agree to their terms and complete the transaction. We're working on a video about limit orders and market orders, so maybe it'll clear some of this up. But this is traditional finance. And the big downside of this is that you have to wait around for someone else to completely agree to your transaction terms. You'll also have to have your funds or your assets locked up until a third party comes along and agrees. There aren't very many DEXs that use this method, but it's because there's a much better method when it comes to DeFi. and that is using an automated market maker, otherwise known as an AMM. An automated market maker is the algorithm that most DEXs use. Now there's many benefits for this. For one, you don't have to wait around for a person to match with the price that you want to trade with. Instead, you're trading with a pool of funds instead of a person. Each token that you buy, the pool of funds gradually charges you more and more. And each token that you sell to it, it gradually gives you less and less. Now these pools are actually called liquidity pools. And we have two great videos on how they work, liquidity pools and automated market makers. Our liquidity pool video explains how investors can make money, and our AMM video explains exactly how the algorithm works. Now these algorithms use a special formula to make sure that they can always sell more and more tokens, even if they have barely any left. The less they have, the more they charge. This incentivizes some traders to come along and balance the pool back out by making a profit off of the opposite trade. These algorithms work amazingly well to set prices and allow traders to trade, which is probably why most DEXs use them. So that's actually all we have for this video. There wasn't too much to cover about a DEX, but we hope that we've covered the important parts. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope that you've enjoyed it. We really hope you've learned something, and most of all, we hope to see you in the next video.
So, ayun 'no. Actually meron din tayo dito sa article 'no about OKX DEX. So, paano natin maintindihan 'yun? So, peer-to-peer marketplace 'no in which direct na nagte-trade na. Kasi pagka dumaan ka sa OKX, alam niyo 'yun, centralized exchange, parang sila pa namamagitan. Simple, parang bangko 'no, nasa bangko 'yun pa. Hindi yung ikaw na mismo ang makikidiretso na trade ano, makakabili. Lalo na kapagka may mga bagong coin like Trump coin, meron na tayo actually sa DEX ng OKX. Gano'n kaganda siya yung ating DEX. Ngayon, hindi natin gaanong palalawigin pa yung DEX. Isa sa pinakaimportante diyan guys, okay? Share screen lang ako ulit, baka makaligtaan ako. Isa sa pinakaimportante is i-connect nyo, una muna yung understand nyo 'to, ibigay ko sa inyo yung link ngayon, okay? Teka lang, kung ito ba ita-type ko na natin. Okay. Ito, what is OKX DEX? Ibibigay ko 'to sa chat ng OKX. So, make sure lang naka-register kayo kay OKX. Okay, coach. Yan, maraming airdrop. Totoo, maraming airdrop dito. Ha? So, punta tayo kay OKX. 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 Ayan, OKX as a yan. So, about Dex Wallet tayo. In-explain dyan. Siguro share ko rin tong video na to. So, yun ang kagandahan nitong ating DEX na tinatawag, decentralized exchange. Ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, sa left side ko, dito tayo, sige, parehas naman yan. Merong SEX, ibang SEX yan CEX yan Centralized exchange, meron DEX. Yan, pagka nilagay ko yan DEX, kinlik ko yan, ito. Lalabas ngayon, yan Trump, yung mga ibang mga coin, and then, marami pa kayong madi-discover. Hindi muna natin yan i-direct, pero ang importante, maintindihan nyo how to connect yung wallet. Okay? So, pwede kang gumawa ng OKX app, okay, or kaya OKX wallet extension. So, i-create mo lang, create ka lang ng wallet dito. And then, make sure kung seed phrase yan, okay, o kaya password, yung gusto mong protection. Okay? So, gagawa ako ng isa, then gagawa ako for the purpose lang of this video. Okay? So, average lang siya. Teka nga, confirm ko kung tama. Kung parehas yung tinype ko, parang hindi. Okay, yan. So, note down seed phrase. So, tsaka ako na ano yan, maybe later kasi makikita nyo, malalaman nyo. Pagka nalaman nyo ng iba, yan ang i-keep nyo. Ngayon, marami pang option para, yan Well, meron na ako ngayong ah, wallet na tinatawag na OKX na DEX. Okay, decentralized yan. Similar yan na mga SushiSwap, something. Ngayon, pwede ka na ngayong, halimbawa, maka-receive dyan ng USDT. Ayan, kailangan kong i-back up muna, kaya hindi ko mapakita sa inyo. Makikita nyo kaagad, recorded tayo. Okay? Totoo yan, Sir John. Marami tayong mga dito, ha? Ayan. I-copy nyo to, i-share ko to sa link nyo, para magkaroon kayo ng idea how to link exchange account to OKX wallet. Okay? I-share ko rin to sa grupo. So, make sure lang kasama kayo dito sa ating OKX ASEAN na tinatawag. Then, ayan, para magkaroon kayo ng mga details about dito sa DEX na to. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. Actually, tsaka natin pag-uusapan yung iba pang mga advantage ng, no? Pero ito lang, ayan, na-confirm nga natin, OKX lang ang may decentralized exchange. Which yung mga bagong coin na meron kang possibility na maikip o mabili, pwede mong kuhanin dito. Like Trump, Melania, na alam na natin trending nitong mga nakaraan, no, bago umupo si Trump, no, sa Amerika as president. So yun lang ang kagandahan ng OKX, guys. Yan, kaya sinasabi ko sa iyo, mag-register lang kayo sa OKX. Napakarami na opportunity na ibinibigay si OKX sa atin, at isa na nga yan yung decentralized exchange. Wait po lang kayo, marami pa kayong matututunan. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo na pwede nyo nang i-connect ito. Soon, pagka nagbigay na ng go signal, yan. Yan, pwede, oo. Pwede kayo mag-delete ng old OKX nyo, mag-register lang kayo sa ASEAN na OKX. Okay? Meron pa tayo sa GC rin natin, katulad niyan, naglabas ako ng possible na mangyari sa although senior natin yan sa possible na mangyari sa Bitcoin na gumagawa siya ng triangle. Una yan nakita dito. Una yan pinost ko dito. So, yan lang guys, no? I hope mag-join. Kaunti pa actually ang nag-join sa ASEAN kasi meron pa ako dating old na OKX link, no? Na OKX link. Yun ang gamit nung iba. Anyhow, kung eto, nandito na ngayon ang support ko sa main Asasi, no? Dito sa ating DEX. Ayan, pati mga meme pump na tinatawag, NFT, para maintindihan niyo yung NFT. Ayan, pagbenta at pagbili. Ngayon, mag-iingat lang kayo pagka dito sa DEX, no? Hindi kasi lahat 'yan bili ka lang ng bili. You have to study. Yun ang i-guide ko sa inyo. Kung ano yung maganda nating gawin, maganda nating bilhin, o ano ba yung available na sa token sa DEX ng OKX. May tanong pa guys? Welcome kayo kung may tanong kayo. Bago tayo, ano po ang link? Yung link ng Asasi natin ng OKX. Ito rin po. Asasi lang din yung pinaka ito. Shinare ko yan, no? Make sure lang. And then, ayan yung link natin. Copy nyo yan, Sir John, bago tayo mag-off ng ating Zoom. So, Bitcoin, ano nangyayari sa Bitcoin? Possible retracement yan. Sinabi ko na doon sa exclusive ng OKX GC kung ano yung mga possible. Gumagawa lang siya ng triangle, and then kasi yung malaki talaga yung bagsak niya nitong nakaraan. Ngayon, kung ibe-base nyo sa history lang yan ng election, ng halving, eto pa rin, hindi pa rin tapos ang bull run, guys. Hindi pa rin tapos. Personally, may opinion. Sir, tapos na coach. Tapos na ba? No, hindi pa. So, bantayan nyo lang. Intayin nyo lang. Okay? Baka mag-pick yan. Makikita nyo, alt season is coming. Ang portfolio ng karamihan from alt, bumagsak ng 50%, 70% yung iba. Yung maraming Bitcoin naman and Ethereum, 40 to 50%. So, ayan, normal yan. which talagang gusto nilang i-sell nyo na, hindi, magbenta na kayo, malulugi lang kayo, tsaka nyo makikita yan. Pero ako na nagsasabi, keep holding, yun lang nananalo dito sa spot, spot trading, no, mag-hold. Or kung hindi naman, like ako, ang priority ko, Brett, nakikita nyo, may 1,700% gain tayo nitong nakaraan. Pinost natin yan dito sa Asasi Crypto Forex Community. Kahanina lang, ano natin. So, naka-hold pa rin yon kasi may target price ako. Sana magtuloy. Pero tinatanggal ko na kasi yon kapag na-hit niya yung stop gain niya. Nagte-trailing stop gain kasi ako. Okay, inaangat ko siya. So, thank you sa mga bumisita. Dalawang coach ang bumisita, Coach Chris, Coach Nix. Wala na yata si Coach Nix. Thank you sa inyo. So, yung mga tinuro natin, actually, yung brought to you by Forex, andyan pa rin. Applicable po yun sa crypto. Yung mga smart money natin, yung mga price action natin, mga indicator natin, yun. Okay. Ang Brett, yes, aangat yan uli. Alam ko naman. Pero, ang target price ko dyan, to be honest, is $2. Mapalad na tayo kung magpa $5 to $7 siya. $2, maglalaro yan 2, 3, 4. Yan, yun yung pinaka-safe ko. Pinakapangit na yung $2. So, malaki yan. Okay? Sa Brett. Marami pa tayo. Meron Trump sa OKX na spot. So, pwede rin kayong bumili ng spot na Trump, no? Kung gusto niyo sumabay. Actually, maganda ngayon, $17 na lang ngayon. All-time high niya, 71. Ito lang. Malay nyo, ipump yan. Okay? Dogecoin. Yan mga abangan nyo kung sa meme coin. O, magbigay na tayo. Render. Okay? Meron tayong render sa OKX. Make sure nyo, isa yan sa pinakamagandang AI token if hindi ako nagkakamali. Yes, panibagong sign up po. Yes, kung meron kang OKX dati, panibagong sign up, pwede mong i-delete yung dati mo. Wag bago mo i-delete, lipat mo muna yung funds para continue support. Pero na-i-add ko na kayo sa GC, kayong mga mahihilig umattend, free naman yan, no problem sa akin. Okay, pero support nyo lang. Kasi kapag nagkaroon na tayo ng mga giveaway, dapat under yan sa link ko. Pagka hindi under sa link ko yan, sorry, kung nanalo ka ng cellphone o ng USB o ng kung ano man, hindi ko po maibibigay yun. Okay, dapat under kayo ng OKX and then of course sa Forex natin, alam nyo na kung ang tick meal natin. So, yun lang. Standby lang kayo. Marami pa tayong full support na ginagawa. Kung naka-hold kayo sa crypto, hold nyo muna. Huwag kayong masyadong mag-alala. Okay? Wala pa ako nakita talagang na-liquidate sa spot sa long hold. Okay? So, maraming salamat everyone. Thank you for watching our webinar, attending our webinar. Dito sa inintroduce lang natin yung OKX. Kung ano ba ito. Pinasimple lang natin, decentralized siya na exchange na merong wallet na decentralized din ng OKX. Okay? Na kaisa-isa lang. Ayan, na kinonfirm na sa atin. So, yun lang, kaisa-isa siya. Wala yung ibang mga crypto exchange na kilala natin. Okay? So, you are in good hands. May customer support. Andiyan ang OKX. Andito rin ako. Isa ako sa mga partners, no, na affiliate, no, global affiliate ng OKX. Dito pala. Ayan. Global affiliate ng OKX. So, thank you again for watching, guys. Keep in touch lang tayo. Then, PM lang yung mga may tanong. Yung manonood ng recorded, make sure lang na naaral nyo na rin yung ibang mga lesson natin bago kayo mag-funds ng malaki. Pero kung spot lang naman sa OKX, at least aralin nyo kahit pa paano, pero medyo less yung ating risk kung spot lang naman. Pero yung futures, dapat kailangan marunong na kayo. Yung perpetual trading natin. Okay, good night. Thank you for watching.